fourth graders, and welcome to your how-to video on BrainPop, on how to get to your assignments on BrainPop. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use one of the students in my homeroom class since they are not currently doing science this week, just to show you how to do this. So you're going to go to your class link, the little tree that's on your desktop of your computer, and put your username and password in. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll go ahead and do Trey's. Put his little password in. Okay. So once you get on your class link page, you are going to click on BrainPop. Not BrainPop Junior, but BrainPop. Okay? All right, so this will be what comes up. It says, did your teacher give you a class code? Enter it here. Now, I have two different class codes depending on what homeroom you are in. If you are in Elliot's homeroom, your class code is going to be chunk 9911. And notice there are no capital letters and no spacing. So again, if you are part of Elliot's homeroom class, you will, on this page where it says the code, type in chunk, C-H-U-N-K, 9911, and there are no spaces and no capital letters. But if you are in Miss Larkin's homeroom, which is the homeroom class that is having science this week, you are going to type in mouth 4093, and again, no capital letters, no spaces. So if you are in Miss Larkin's homeroom, you will type in mouth, M-O-U-T-H, 4093. So I'm going to go ahead and type in chunk 9911 because Trey is in my homeroom class. Okay, so we logged in and it says here's his name, and I want to point out two different ways that you can find your daily assignments, okay? And those two ways are dashboard and notification. So let's go to dashboard first. And I will tell you that once you enter in this this code, you will not have to enter it in again. It should go ahead and save on your class link, okay? So Trey can go to dashboard right here, and he can see, oh, here's an assignment Miss Elliott wants me to do. So click on it. And then if he scrolls down, he can see the two assignments that I want him to complete. Now again, my homeroom class, you are not doing this right now. I would like you to go ahead and log in with your code so that way I can assign you other things when we do go back to science. But for right now, it's really important that Miss Larkin's homeroom goes ahead and does this, okay? So Miss Larkin's homeroom, you will see your assignments here. So you've got a movie to watch, and then there is an assignment that will be graded. Now, I will go ahead and tell you that on my end, as your teacher, I will be able to see when you have watched your video, and I will be able to see what score you got on whatever assignment that I assigned to you, okay? So that's one way that you can find your assignments. But the other way, and you notice it maybe right here, a red number 1 popped up, is notification. So if we click that, you will see that his notification is that he has an assignment called Waves, all right? So guys, again, if you have any questions about what you need to do as far as logging in or what your passcode is, I'll give it to you one more time. Miss Elliott's homeroom, your passcode is chunk 9911, and Miss Larkin's homeroom, your password is mouth 4093. And again, no capital letters and no spaces. Please make sure that you type in the correct passcode for your homeroom class. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know. And I'll be glad to do a one-on-one Google Meet with you and walk you through these steps so that you can go ahead and be doing your science assignments. But again, one more time, the assignments this week on Canvas are just for Miss Larkin's homeroom kids. Miss Elliott's kids, you've already done the science assignments. But I would like you to go ahead and log in with your code so that way the next time you're in science, you will be already ready to go. All right, that's it. Bye for now.